What is Industry 4.0 really about? Is it AI, dashboards, robots? The truth is, smart factories don't get built overnight. They're built in layers, kind of like a house. And at NEFF, we help customers lay the foundation the right way. Think of building a smart factory in 3 different unique buckets. Bucket 1, machine level data. Bucket 2, network infrastructure. And bucket 3, actionable insights, basically taking data and transforming it into usable data. If you're missing even one of these buckets, you're not building a smart factory, you're just adding sensors without a strategy. It starts at the source. Smart sensors and devices. IO-Link sensors deliver real-time process data and health diagnostics. Condition monitoring sensors track vibration, temperature, performance trends. And energy monitoring devices spot electrical inefficiencies. Smart valves and other pneumatic sensors reduce air consumptions and can detect leaks automatically. And every piece of equipment becomes not just operational, but communicative. The goal here is simple. Make machines self-reporting, predictable, and transparent. But raw data without a highway to travel on, it's useless. That's where network infrastructure comes in. We're talking about industrial-grade Ethernet, so managed switches, network segmentation, wireless mesh, and secure remote access solutions. You need fast, reliable, secure connections from the device all the way up to your high-level systems or cloud. And good infrastructure prevents bottlenecks, and most importantly, it ensures scalability as you grow and get larger. At NEFF, we partner with trusted names like Phoenix Contact and Merle Electronic to build networks ready for Industry 4.0 demands. And finally, it's not about just collecting data for data's sake. It's about taking that data and turning it into actionable, usable information. Maybe that means a dashboard that alerts maintenance before a motor overheats. Maybe it's a cloud-based system that analyzes energy use across multiple plants. Maybe it's a full-blown SCADA or MES system pulling thousands of data points into streamlined reports. Whatever the solution looks like, the goal is the same. Empower your team to make faster, smarter decisions based on real information, not gut feel. Smart factories, they don't require massive budgets, but they do require smart planning. Whether you're starting small or scaling big, NEFF is here to help you design that foundation and grow from there. Reach out to NEFF at neffautomation.com or a team of automation professionals to get started. Thanks for watching.